Hello and what's up everyone, thank you all for tuning into my channel. This is Photography ID, where you learn to be better at your photos. So I was getting into the tutorial. The picture that you see here right now, I posted up on a Facebook group. There were some cool people that asked me to make a tutorial on how I did the before and after. So this is what I'm going to do right now. The picture that you see here, I'm going to use the healing tool brush. And then I'm going to take out the subject, the thing that I want in focus. That is the thing that I'm going to take out. If you want to understand why, I also have another video. You can check in my channel. You can see how to do a professional blurred background. Alright, now that everything is already removed, which is my main subject, we're going to go to lens blur. With the lens blur, we want to bring everything all the way in. As you can see here on transition, you want to bring this to 0. The little dot, make sure that you put it on the subject that you want to put in focus. Everything else is going to go out of focus. The reason is because right by that little dot, it's still in focus. So we're going to do our blur strength. I'm going to take it about maybe 50, 55, about there. So once you have that, you're going to save, and then you pull out the same picture again in double exposure. Let us go there. Alright guys, as you can see, my photo came upside down. I really don't know why. If yours is like this, you can easily just twist it around, but make sure that it is in line with the last photo, your first photo that you had there. Make sure that it's in line. Zoom it in all the way until it reached corners to corners. Make sure the opacity is all the way to 100%, because this is what we want. Once it's there, you click OK on the little arrow in the bottom right corner, and here where the arrow is pointing, view edits, double exposure, and then you're going to use the brush tool. What we're going to do now, everything that's supposed to be in focus, you're going to brush it at 100%. Make sure everything is in focus. And this one, I'm going to speed this one up a little, so enjoy the music. All right, now that we have everything that's supposed to be in focus, everything that is blurred, we click OK. And now what we're going to do is brighten up our picture. Once everything is there, we're going to come up on some brightness. And the shadow, take out some shadow, not so much, but just to clear it up a little bit and pop it out. I like to use ambient light that brightens up everything a little bit. And warm, make sure you have it on a nice warm looking color. That golden hour makes the photo look so beautiful. Make sure you do that. The highlight, you bring this one down a little bit. It brings a little sharpness in the photo. So we're gonna do our last double exposure, and now what we're gonna do is get the sunbeam or the light that is shining through. This one I simply downloaded on Google, so if you want you can do it there as well, or if you have your specific place that you go to download your pictures, there you go, you can do it there. And as you can see here, the blending mode that I want to use on this, I want to make it bright, so I'm going to use add. I'm checking all of these one here, but I'm actually going to use add, just looking to see which one stands out best. I like the way add does it because it makes the whole thing very bright. I'm going to just slide it a little bit more to the, like, out of the screen, and right there I'm going to leave it. At the same time, I'm going to brighten up my photos a little bit. You can also add a little sharpness, you know, structural details if you want. Not so much because it makes it look very unprofessional. So you just want to put just a little touch, not so much. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you all for tuning in to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the result, the before and the after. Before and the after. I hope you enjoy. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate it. It makes me want to do more videos. And see you in the next one. Peace out.